My name's David. I'm Business Development Manager for Webspark Media. In my conversations with HVAC companies, one thing I've heard over and over again is the pain points about them working through leads that they get through companies like HomeAdvisor. They're not exclusive, they're sharing them with other companies in the market, and then they're chasing these down over and over when we find out that they're not going to get that lead for themselves. One thing we bring to the table at Webspark Media is guaranteed booked appointments directly to your calendar. We focus on qualified homeowners that are looking for installs or replacement systems, so you're maximizing your revenue with every opportunity that you have with us. We have inside sales agents that can be your sales team so you can focus on what you do best, which is HVAC installs. That's what our team does. Complete the form below and get started today with Webspark Media, and we can grow together.